Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 19. I am worried about going downstairs right now because Maurice ate a little bit of plastic before I could get to it. And now I'm paranoid that there's going to be cat vom somewhere in the house. So let's check each room. Hopefully, I mean it was tiny, hopefully it's fine, nothing in here. Oof, I think we're safe. What a start to the vlog. Sorry about that, guys. So today is Thursday. I am hosting a dinner party tonight, which I'm so excited about. I haven't like hosted or cooked for anyone other than me and G in a really long time. So let me tell you about my plans in a sec. Whilst we're here, I'm quickly going to wash my new jumper that I finished yesterday. So I'm just going to put it in my sink, which I filled with wool wash, and let it soak for a minute, and then take it out and dry it, or like wring it out as much as possible. I'm also going to wash the two jumpers that I bought from a charity shop a couple of days ago, last week. I can't even remember when that was. I'm actually also wearing one of the tops I bought from a charity shop. Let me show you. It's this one that I got from Cos. I really like the shape of it. I also really like the sleeves here. It could do with a bit of a steam or an iron, but for the meantime it's very comfy and very casual. Making a cup of tea. So I'm meeting up with my friend Anna tonight. I haven't seen her in about a month and a half, 2 months. And we wanted to try and get a date in before Christmas to catch up. So oh my god. Oh no. Milk on the lens, I'm sorry. What are the chances of that happening? So I think we were originally going to go maybe to a pub, or I have no idea. We didn't really plan it. But after I was sent that Doritos turkey kit, I thought maybe I could cook that. I mean, it could be an absolute fail, but I thought it might be nice to like host her here and have her here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the shops in a bit and get some vegetables to cook. Oh, Maurice has got an envelope attached to his tail. You good boy. I'm going to go to the shop and pick up some baby potatoes and some, I don't know, maybe kale. Maybe I'll do crispy kale. I'm not doing turkey because turkey will take hours, and you need to even let it rest for an hour as well, which actually is quite good for hosting because it means you can prep it all and get it all cooked before your guests come. But I didn't want to do a turkey, so I'm going to do a chicken instead. I bought a chicken yesterday. It's kind of small, but it will feed me, Anna and G. I'm going to cook it in the air fryer and then breadcrumb it and finish it off in the oven. I'm going to make Anna our famous Brussels sprouts, the best Brussels sprout recipe ever. Very excitingly, we have some chocolate cake in the freezer that we've been saving, and it just seems like the best occasion to finally have it tonight. So I'm going to get this out to defrost. The biggest slab of Get Baked's birthday cake, which is the cake from Matilda. It's like the best chocolate cake ever, originally called the Bruce cake. So that's going to defrost. I wonder if I should defrost that in the fridge, or yeah, maybe. I've got my chicken already. I got that from M&S yesterday. So yeah, that'll be a nice evening. I'll also put a bottle of wine in the fridge, don't let me forget that. Yeah, and until then, just working.
Yes, that would be the ingredients.
For lunch today, I have made fried egg on toast, very quick, very easy, because I'm rushing off my feet again. One of those weeks, isn't it? Maurice has only gone and done it again now. Oh my god, there's another spider that he's found. Why are you such a good spider hunter? I need to get one of the spider catchers that you guys told me about. I really don't want you eating that, Maurice. What? I don't even have a cup up here. What are you doing? Oh dear. What are you going to do about it? This is a disaster. I lost the spider. I tried to get it and it jumped. And now me and Maurice are like, I'm so worried it's in his fur because it's so furry and things do get lost. Have you got it? Oh yeah, you found it. Oh my god, Maurice. Oh my god, Maurice, get it. Okay, I just filmed a little Instagram video and now I'm going to do some more wrapping. Oh my god, the wrapping is never ending. I finally got round to putting my friend's wedding flowers into this frame. It looks so good. Ignore the carpet, but I'm really happy with this, although they're not stuck down and they seem to move around a little bit. Yeah, so I'm not really sure what to do about that. I have got some glue dots, but I'm worried about that like ruining, like just generally ruining the flowers, but I will try it. How to open it. Here we go. Okay, I have a present for my friend's son who I'm seeing tomorrow, and a present for her flowers, and something else for her as well. And I'm happy to report that the glue dots worked a treat. So there'll be like a back and a front, but they stick and they don't move and they don't like look too bad either. So that is great news. I need to go to the vets now. Oh, hi Maurice. How you doing? Chilling on my jumper that I haven't woven any of my ends in yet. Look at that, that's so bad. I'm just going to move that so you don't ruin it. Yeah, I'm going to go to the vets now because I need to pick up some medication for little Maurice. Yeah, you heard me. And also pick up some potatoes for dinner this evening. I have also hand washed my 2 jumpers that I got in the charity shop last week. Oh, it's very wet. Hoping those dry soon. It's only 4:30, but I'm going to start prepping the dinner tonight so that everything is all ready to go when Anna arrives. I hope she still is coming because I haven't heard from her all day. So it might just be me and G eating a Dorito crusted chicken. I think I'm going to put my Brussels sprouts in here. Chicken in a slightly smaller dish. And I heard a tip that the best way to use what is this, like baking paper, is to like scrunch it all up and then it will lay flat. We have to get it wet as well, but I'm not going to do that. Lovely jubbly. Right, I'm just going to cut up all my Brussels sprouts. I'm going to listen to a podcast as well. True crime.
Podcast at the nursery. Are you a Scottish legend that they have attributed?
We be cooking. I'm infusing some honey with chilies and herbs, and I'm toasting my good breadcrumbs. Won't wait. Before adding my Doritos in. Okay, I have toasted off some breadcrumbs in a bowl. They're still quite hot. And then I need to whack up my Doritos and add them. Oh my god, I love these crisps so much.
Should we feed them instead?
They're so good, aren't they? And then I'll bash up these. I've been sent a parcel. I don't know what it is. Oh! Maybe I do know what this is. Could this be my candles? I've ordered loads of candles for Christmas and I was really upset that they hadn't come in time. But this could be them. Oh my god, I'm so excited to smell these. So this candle brand is the best candle brand, right? G bought me a candle from them earlier this year, and in the smell buttery croissant, and oh my god, it's honestly the best candle ever, isn't it? It is like giving off fragrance and you don't even need to have it lit. You just have it near you and you can still smell it. So I ordered loads of them in Black Friday as gifts for people because I want everyone to experience how nice they are, but they also had some other foodie fragrances, so I bought them too. The brand's called Wick Guru. Ooh, pistachio macaron. Oh, guess what that smells like?
That smells like my candle.
Yeah, that smells like
oh my god.
Bigfoot and
Shanks and Bigfoot.
Shanks and Bigfoot. Oh, G made a candle.
Mine's still better.
Yeah, yours is better than that. G made a candle. We went to like a candle making workshop. G made a candle. It is honestly the best, one of the best smells. It was like coconutty lemon chocolate. But that is so similar.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh my god, babe. How weird is that? I don't think that smells like pistachio macaroon. It smells like chocolate lemon.
Very nice.
Very
Who's
nice.
that going to go to?
That one was for Becky. And then we've got pan au chocolat.
Is this for your mum?
No, she's got to get a buttery croissant one. Ooh, I'm not sure about that. What do you think about that one? Pan au chocolat. Maybe it'll smell nicer when it's burnt. It's quite chocolatey.
Yeah, I can see why they've called it that.
Not as good as buttery croissant. And then we've got baked cookies. That literally smells like fresh cookies out of an oven.
What do you think? I think it just smells like a candle. Like a bog standard candle.
No, I think we should burn one.
I thought these were presents.
Also smells a bit like your one, but without the depth. And then
What's
buttery
that?
croissant.
Oh, then you got the buttery croissant. That's the king. I'd be interested to see how that smells compared to the one we burnt. Whether it's
Because it's fresher.
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't smell as good as the one upstairs. But maybe you need to burn it, then it will smell better.
Maybe they're a bit cold. They are quite cold.
That doesn't smell as good as it does upstairs. That's so weird.
I think maybe they need to warm up and you need to burn them, yeah, because that doesn't really, can't really smell it.
Doesn't do it justice.
Doesn't do it justice.
Which also means that these other ones might be amazing once you burn them. Okay, I have prepped my Brussels sprouts, chopped in half, sprinkled with salt and massaged with olive oil. Potatoes with some herbs and garlic, and then kale, which I again have massaged with olive oil. And then I've got my chili honey infusing here, and this is going to be the glaze that kind of sticks the breadcrumbs and Doritos onto the chicken. And I've got butter with herbs, lemon zest and orange zest, which I am now going to put on and under the skin of my chicken. Guys, I forgot to show you the chicken before it was oh, do you want to film me, Anna? Come round and you're working.
Oh my god, no. Wait, where do I record? How do I record?
Oh wait, I think it's recording.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay, fine.
So I'm putting my breadcrumb mix, and I forgot to show you how I'm gonna have too much breadcrumb mix, and I've put it on top of the potatoes, so the potatoes are gonna get crummy as well. I've got way too many breadcrumbs in it. Oh, that's enough.
That looks
Pat it all
good.
down, pat it into
Yeah, thick crust.
Oh no, the potatoes all crummy as well.
That does look delicious.
Okay.
Eat that on its own,
No, it's got
like
chicken
Bombay
fingers.
mix.
Oh, the chicken is cooked now, I think. Thanks, babe. And then I'll put it in the oven, and then see if it gets any better.
It already looks great. Oh,
I feel like an absolute domestic goddess right now.
I feel like you are.
Thanks.
Bye.
How long have I got then? 10 minutes.
And then
Can't tell
Okay.
with the breastbone.
It's because it's got too much breadcrumb in it. Oh, this is going to be so good. Yeah.
You struggle with the
Look at
chicken.
this. The chicken.
Wow.
Sprouts. Oh wait, where's the kale? I knew I was forgetting something. There we go. Here we go. Bon appetit. We've been saving this guy for a special occasion, and you're the special occasion. Right, let's cut this.
Oh my god.
I would cut it.
Can
Do you
you?
know how I would cut
Yeah,
it?
go on, go on, go on.
You monster.
No,
Oh,
we're not
no,
doing
yeah.
it like that.
That is right.
No,
that
we're
is
not
correct.
doing it like that.
No, that's correct.
That's not the right way to do it. Because then you don't get enough of
You
the
don't get all the
layers.
Oh, that's a good point.
If
Do
I
you
do it
wanna-
like that, and
Yeah,
then like
yeah.
that.
Shall I go grab a knife and one knife
Do
each?
it in one.
Is that middle one not getting enough?
That's
though?
fine. I'll
have
have the
the
middle
middle
one because
one.
I'm
I'll have the middle
not
one.
a cake person, but I do like
What?
this. You know what? I never eat cake, and I'm really excited about this because I save it up for special occasions.
Why are you doing it? I wanted to do it.
Oh.
It's very hard.
Oh. You're there.
That's a big one.
I'm happy to sacrifice my slice for Anna
No.
because she's not had it before.
No, that's fine.
So she
I'm
can
not
have like
a
a
cake
proper.
eater.
No, but
she
can I
have
say
like a proper slice?
No, but can I say what I'm saying?
What are you saying?
I'm saying I'll have the smallest one, and then if I want any more, I can have a bite of yours.
Okay.
Yeah.
That does sound like a assessment. That's really wet, right?
I don't like it. High pressure, high stakes here. Oh no! Do you not like
it's good.
it?
No, it's good.
Okay,
Do you want
It's good.
more melty?
It's perfect.
Yeah.
I think it's melted to correct. It's more melted than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's like.
I like the firm
Deceptively-
side on the top. So it's a bit thicker. God, this is like a goo pud.
Mm.
I mean, sorry for one of the Masons, but.
I had a lovely evening with our friend Anna. Had a lovely dinner party. It's made me want to do more hosting dinner parties in 2025. I just really enjoy cooking for people. And the Dorito chicken was actually good. We've got some left over, so we'll have it for lunch tomorrow, which is nice, maybe in a sandwich. Oh yeah, we don't need to cook for lunch tomorrow because we've got that.
Oh, we do need to eat this Thursday.
We'll have those on Saturday. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah!